4 to 20 milliamperes current is a widely used standard for transmitting analog signals in industrial control and automation systems. It is a type of current loop communication where the current flowing through a circuit represents the process variable being measured or controlled. This technique has been employed for several decades and remains popular due to its reliability, noise immunity, and simplicity. Key features of the 4 to 20 milliamperes current loop. Current range. The current loop operates in a range of 4 to 20 milliamperes, mA. This current range was chosen to provide a clear distinction between normal operation and fault conditions. The 4 milliamperes minimum ensures that the circuit doesn't fall below the zero current mark, while the 20 milliamperes maximum allows for a good signal-to-noise ratio. Loop-powered. One of the significant advantages of the 4 to 20 milliamperes current loop is that it is loop-powered. This means that the current signal is carried on the same two wires that power the field devices. As a result, there is no need for separate power wiring, simplifying the installation and reducing costs. Robust and noise immune. The current loop communication is inherently robust and immune to interference and noise, as it relies on the magnitude of the current rather than its voltage. Any external noise or resistance in the circuit will not affect the accuracy of the current measurement, ensuring reliable data transmission in industrial environments where electromagnetic interference is common.